Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Adobe Fonts in PowerPoint. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Adobe Fonts website. From here, browse through the available fonts and choose the one you'd like to use in your presentation. Once you've selected a font, click on the Add Family button. This will add all available styles of that font, such as regular, bold, italic, and other variations, to your Adobe account. After adding the font family, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. In the top right-hand corner, click on the Fonts icon. Here, you'll see the font family you just added. Next to each font, you can choose to install individual styles, or you can simply click Install Family to install all styles at once. Once installed, these fonts will become available for use in other local applications, including Microsoft PowerPoint. Now go ahead and open PowerPoint. Select any text on your slide, then navigate to the Font Family dropdown in the top toolbar. Try searching for the Adobe font you just installed. It should appear in the list. Simply click on it to apply the font to your text. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. This usually happens if PowerPoint was already open while the font was being installed. In this case, completely close PowerPoint and then reopen it. And that's it. That's how you can easily use Adobe Fonts in PowerPoint to enhance your presentations with professional typography. So that's basically how you can add Adobe Fonts in PowerPoint. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.